Hello, fellow educators. In this presentation, you will learn to use Google Apps to streamline communication and collaboration in your classroom. Google Apps unlock enormous potential for collaboration. It is necessary, however, to teach students not only how to use these apps, but how to communicate and collaborate professionally while using them. In a 2011 study, students noted Google Apps for Education has improved their understanding of online collaboration in a positive fashion. However, learners stated it would be significantly more beneficial if all students were instructed how to accurately use the tools. For this reason, educators need to provide instruction on how to use Google tools. Here are some of the tools that can be used. The first app is Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a place where educators can post everything that they think will add value to their students' education. Within Google Classroom, you can post assignments from other Google apps like Docs, Slides, and Forms. You can also post announcements, create assignments, post materials, and you can even schedule all of these things to post at a later time or date. Gmail. If we educators wish to prepare our students for real-world communication, it is essential that we teach them how to email properly and professionally. While using Gmail to communicate, educators can teach students how to write a subject line, format an email, include a signature, and proofread emails before sending. These skills are pertinent to most work environments. Google Sites. A perfect place for you to have students post their work is Google Sites. Some possible products that they can create on sites are blog posts, portfolios demonstrating the very best of their work. This allows students to take greater ownership of their work and be proud of what they create. Google Sites is also a great place for educators to post curriculum online as they design. Google Docs is a wonderful place to teach your students to work, learn, negotiate opinions, and be creative in groups since multiple students can work on a Google Doc at the same time. This is also a good opportunity for teachers to monitor the work that their students are doing because they can be added to the Google Doc. Google Slides was used in order to create this presentation. It can be used in the classroom for students to make presentations and projects. A sample assignment would be to have students complete a web quest and summarize what they learned on Google Slides. Then, optionally, the teacher could have students present using Google Slides. Google Forms can be used in a variety of ways by teachers. First, it is a great way to send out surveys to groups of students or educators in order to ask for feedback on a lesson, a meeting, or an entire semester. Next, it can be used for formative or summative assessments. Quizzes are automatically scored, and scores can be automatically input into Google Classroom and synced to a gradebook such as Synergy or Skyward. These Google apps and others are powerful. One of the most crucial advantages of online learning to a school library program or an educator is that it allows the librarian or educator to deliver critical instruction despite lack of face-to-face time during the school day. Not only do Google Apps help streamline communication in the classroom, they also free the teacher to guide the learning process. In turn, the use of Google Apps helps build ownership and autonomy in students while preparing them for real-world problems and their future careers. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you found an idea or two to implement in your own classroom. Have a great day.